Roadroid is a tool for road engineers to make road surveys with a smartphone using the smartphone's accelerometer and GPS, and it collects data according to the World Bank's quality level 3. So you just fasten your phone to your car and make your survey, then upload your data to a web server and manage it on internet. The web tool has a quick analysis function. You can also extract your data in sections to easily work with the charts in Excel. And the phone's camera function can be used to take GPS photos of the road. Network monitoring. After a survey period, you can export all your data to a GIS tool and monitor your whole road network. Except from the road roughness, you also monitor the vehicle speed. Roadroid really solves a problem for low-volume roads, as it is very portable, it is durable, and it's very easy to use. There is no need for specific vehicles, expensive spare parts, or expert knowledge to do the surveys. On high-end roads, on highways, and in modern cities, the data collection can be done often to monitor the changes over time. You can effectively monitor the impact of earthquakes or climate effects from storms, tsunamis, or frost heave, or just optimize your assets management with the most recent data. Roadroid. Make your roughness surveys with a smartphone.